cry.
Yeah, this is my mom, guys.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world.
So guys, it's my last day here in Port Antonio, driving to Kingston. So yeah, the truth but bittersweet. No, it's not. No, it's not bittersweet. I should say bitter sour because it's not nice. I hate this feeling of, you know, of leaving again. You know what I mean, guys? To all the women and men that are in long distance relationships, guys. It's never easy to leave your other half, isn't it? It's never easy. No. Stick in there, guys. Stay strong for your partner. Stay strong for your loved one. You know. My used to be my hangout spot and there too. Thing would be perfect for this right now, man. Latoya! Oh, she didn't even say, she didn't see me. It's the hairdresser with my hair. I knew it was Toya. There you guys go. Jamaica.
Alright guys, so final stop in Port Antonio now. Yeah guys. Go across, babe.
So the Most High says, we shall blow on the Lord with the trumpet. Isaiah 58:1. We shall blow on the Lord with the trumpet. We're not going to mind our business. We're not people and show these people.
Right now.
You have to find out that you are the people of God.
Love you, baby.
You're not the Gentiles.
The way they're looking at us.
You are not the Gentiles. We are the Israelites. And that's what God's people is.
Like full hating.
And so my people, their transgression and the house of
Careful, Island.
their sin, and we are the house of Jacob.
Yeah.
Going back home.
So guys, I'm just here with Babe's mum. It's my last day in Port Antonio, so I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Sad, but I have to go. Yeah, we'll be back.
Yeah, man.
And I better get the camera away because I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, this is my mom, guys. Yeah. They'll see it there, you know? Yeah, man. So we're off to Kingston now, guys.
Yeah.
So
come to say bye.
I miss my grandson so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.